Hi, now I think we are live, so we'll get started. The first thing that we want to do now is to introduce. So let's wait for some time, and then we'll tell you what the. So hi, as you're joining in, I'll just welcome you. Okay, this is a check before we begin. So the what we want to do now is to check whether you're able to hear. Are you able to hear me? If you're able to hear me, just let me know with a thumbs up or something. Yeah, or you can also respond to me on a chat. Say, yeah, can you see that? I'm on the chat. That's one way. Okay, and now the next thing that I'm going to do is hoping that everything is going on well. What I can do is, so what I'm going to do now is I'm just trying different ways. So right now I'm on the PPT, so you can see my PPT on. Next, what I'm going to do is I'll just go ahead and see if I can talk to with using the TV. Okay, so I'm on the TV now. So uh, if we have to do mobile app development and you are just a beginner, and this course is designed for someone, you are someone who is like you just know basic of programming, and you are here in the lockdown and trying to do something useful during this period. So this is what you can do. You can actually start doing mobile app development. What are the things you need to do mobile app development? Uh, I assume that you are aware with computers, you know how a website works. For example, you know what's a client, what's a browser. Okay, you have the Chrome browser, right? And probably you have written an HTML code. It will be nice if you have written some code, programming code like in C, C++, Java, anything. If you have run a single code and it has executed, okay, you wrote a hello world, you wrote your name and it got executed. That's all I want. The rest we will take care in this session. Okay, so what we are going to do, we'll learn a very simple way of developing a professional app. So it is not a kind of a hobby thing. You can actually make professional app in the way we are doing it. We are also going to use the entire thing. We are going to use JavaScript. Sounds very simple, but you know this is the top three uh, popular languages. If you go to github.com, you will see that there are this is the popular language. So tell me, what are the top three popular languages? You have Python, JavaScript, and Java, right? And these three keep changing the positions. So you're learning JavaScript, and if you know just this language, okay, you need to know only this. If you are able to make an app using this, I think when the lockdown is over, your job will be ready, right? And even while there is a lockdown, you can actually go out and try to be a freelancer and find different ways to make things work. So let's get started. uh, this is my TV mode, and uh, then I go to So this should be okay. I think for a long period I've been talking and I'm on mute. So this is all wrong. We are going to redo it. Okay. I'm going to check my. I'm going to first start with the PPT as the setup. So what we are going to do now is, in this mobile app development, we just need to check everything is fine. Okay. I'm just talking. I'm just blabbering. Okay. Then I stand up and talk, and I'm talking straight to this. So in this, we are going to take only 3 weeks, right? And then we are going to make this happen. Now, the next part is we will use, I'm going to talk to the front camera, okay? And there's no PPT. It's only me and you, right? The next part is the code. So in the code, what I'm trying to do is say I have this Visual Studio Code and I'm trying to make an open folder. I open it up, right, and I cancel it. So my code is running. The next part is I want to draw. So I want to draw, and what will I draw? I'm going to use a pen. So I just use this pen and I'm making a diagram, right? To make a diagram, I'll draw this 1, 2, 3, and blah, 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 right? That's how it's happening. And with this, I think we are all set. I can pause the streaming. So first I will end the stream in YouTube.